So hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to play La La Lost You by NIKI. This is based on the Acoustic Sessions video. I'll have it linked up there and down in the description for you guys to watch before we start this tutorial. I recommend doing that so you can get the feel for the song, the speed of it, and just how she plays it and what it should sound like. So this song has, I think, 3 parts. You have your intro, you have the verses, and then you have your chorus. Now, in between the verse and the chorus, there is a little bridge section, so we'll also be going over that as well. So let's start with the intro part of the song. In the intro, you're going to start playing 3 chords. It's your G chord, your G major 7 chord, and your C major 7 chord. So I'm going to show you guys the chord shapes real quick. And also a quick disclaimer. In my honest opinion, just disregard the higher strings up here. Just focus more on the lower strings. I don't think she really plays the higher strings in the video, so just a quick tip, just focus more on the top half of the guitar rather than playing the whole 6 strings. It will make the song sound even better. So let's start with our 3 chords. So you want to play the G chord, and then your G major 7 chord, and then your C major 7. I'll show you guys the chord shapes real quick. This is for your G chord right here. So notice how I'm not adding 2 notes on the lower part like a regular chord shape for the G. That's exactly what I mean by just disregarding the higher strings over here. So start with your G, then take your ring finger and just put it on the 4th fret D string, and that will give you your G major 7 chord. Sounds like that. Sounds really nice. And then after that, you just want to bring down the entire shape, a set of a string, and you will have your your C major 7 chord, my bad. And it should sound like this. So notice how I played the higher strings there. It's up to you if you want to play the higher strings. I think it sounds good. So that's like one of the few exceptions that you would play the higher strings. So playing them all together, this is what you guys should get. So notice how I played that C major 7 chord for 2 bars. So it's basically 4 bars. The first bar is your G chord, the second bar is your G major 7 chord, and then the last 2 bars will be your C major 7 chord. So you want to play that for the entire intro section, however long that is, and then it also merges to the verse. So she has her intro, which is just the instrumental, and then she hops into the verse, and then I think she plays that for like a couple bars, I think, and then after that you have your bridge. Now for the bridge, it's really simple. So for your first chord, it's basically a C major chord shape but moved up 2 frets, so it looks like this. You have your C major chord here and you just want to move it up 2 frets, so 1, 2. It should look like that, but for me, I want to always add the thicker string up top. I don't know, it just makes it more full, I guess, and I think she does that too in the video if you guys look closely. I might be wrong, but in my opinion, adding that thicker string up top just makes it sound a little bit better. So this is my version of the C chord moved up 2 frets. So it's basically a C chord, but you just want to put a finger on the thickest string right above the A string. So you want to put a finger on the E string as well, and it should sound like this. Should sound like that. And then for your second chord, for the bridge, you just want to move it all the way back to the 1st fret and you get your C chord, or for me, your C over G chord. So putting those 2 chords together, this is what it should sound like. So after you play that twice, she moves quickly to the chorus. So for the chorus, I think you're going to be playing 4 chords. Never mind, I know you're going to be playing 4 chords. So for the 4 chords, you start off with your G chord, looking like this. And then you want to move on to your E minor 7 chord, looking like that. But what I like to do is I like to add that note over there on the 3rd fret B string right here. It sounds like this. There we go. So that's another exception. You want to play the higher strings to make it sound pretty good. And then after you have your E minor 7, you want to move on to your C over G chord, which looks like that. And then for the last and 4th chord, you want to play your C minor chord, looking like this. Looks like that. It sounds like that. So it's basically just you want to bar the 3rd fret starting from the A string. You don't have to bar all of it, but just try to bar the whole thing. And then you want to add your middle finger on the 4th fret B string, your ring finger on your 5th fret D string, and then your pinky on your 5th fret G string. And that should give you your C minor chord. Now, sometimes to make it easier for me, I bar the entire 3rd fret. I bar the entire 3rd fret. This also makes it sound fuller. So I don't know. You guys could do it this way, or just go with a traditional C minor chord. So it's up to you guys. So playing all those 4 chords together, and this is what it should sound like. So that's a little shaky whenever I switch from the C over G chord to the C minor chord. But again, with practice, you guys are going to be able to switch there very effortlessly. So just goes to show that even me teaching these songs to you guys, I'm not perfect either. Like, I'm trying to learn it too. So that's one thing I got to work on. Maybe for you guys, it's strumming or keeping with the tempo of the song, or even playing while singing. That's very, very important as well. You know, if you can play the song, then how about playing and singing it? That just makes the experience, you know, fuller. So now that you guys know the 3 parts to the song, well, 3 or 4 parts to the song, I'm going to play the song all the way through for you guys to play along. If you guys don't want to watch this segment, the video's pretty much done. So, yeah, I'll pop right back in again in the ending part of the video once I finish playing this segment of the video, which is just to play through the song. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. While I'm on Sunset, are you on the subway? While I drive, are you getting on the L train? I mean, Manhattan's nice, so Malibu nights. You would know if you stayed. You would know if you put up a fight. Your toes turn blue in winter. I'm getting red rum. Does the trick for all of the things left unsaid. I'm missing our drunken 2 a.m. strolls in K-Town. Now you're chasing fake highs in the Upper West Side. Fucking your Brooklyns in Brooklyn. Your Chelsea's in Chelsea. Hope that eases the pain. So you remember to miss me. And you sold your car, now you walk for miles, but your feet feel numb. Crosswalks on my mind are shaky, so please hold on tight. All my demons run wild. All my demons have your smile. In the city of angels, city of angels. Hope New York holds you. Hope it holds you like I do. While my demons stay faithful. In the city of angels. Summer's ending now and the nights are cooling down. Remember last winter when we would drive around Silver Lake, Hollywood. Pretty little white lights got me good. Thought this was love, I was misunderstood. Oh, feeling low on the low. Driving through NoHo. If I'm honest, I call. But I'm trying to let go. But I hope you're happy. Living life in taxis. But you always have me. You always have me. All my demons run wild. All my demons have your smile in the city of angels. City of angels. Hope New York holds you. Hope it holds you like I do, while my demons stay faithful. The city of angels. So, that is my cover of the song as well. So it's a 2-for-1 today because some of you guys have been really requesting me to actually sing. So there's my attempt, uncut. There's some flaws in there, but I'm gonna let you guys have that. So I had fun making this video. If you guys like what you see, give me a thumbs up, please, and hit that subscribe button if you like what you see and you want to see more of it. If you guys didn't like it, then feel free to hit the thumbs up button. It lets me know that some people don't like what I do, and maybe I have to make some improvements to make my content better. So thank you guys for watching so much. If you guys made it through the entire video, I really, really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. And yeah, stay safe in these times, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.